Now for the latest in an 8 on Your Side investigation into construction complaints against KB Home. A Clearwater homeowner who blames his builder, KB Home, for shoddy construction that caused leaks and mold took his case to court today. 8 on Your Side has reported that homeowners in 11 Bay Area neighborhoods have similar complaints, all in homes built since 2004. Today's court hearing, though, marks the first of these homeowners to ask a judge for help. As 8 on Your Side, Shannon Binkin explains, the outcome of this case could impact other homeowners.
The walls in Bryson Board's Clearwater condo are crumbling beneath his drywall. Water pours in through windows, causing so much mold that his tenant fled. And he's not the only one who says KB Home did a poor job building the Waterford townhomes.
None of these windows are in properly. They have not been nailed or screwed in. There's no flashing around them. So if we were to have a hurricane, these windows would just blow out.
And Waterford isn't the only KB community to complain. An 8 on Your Side investigation has uncovered 11 KB neighborhoods where residents say KB used shoddy construction and won't repair their homes. The most notable is Willowbrook in Bradenton, where balconies are so rotted they're falling down. But Bort in Clearwater is the first to take his case to court.
He's a buyer. He is not a builder. It took a long time to discover what was the problem.
Bort lives in Virginia now, but his attorney, Craig Hall, presented his case. Bort says the builder breached its contract and knowingly sold him a defective home.
Our experts had to literally chop through the wall from the outside and from the inside to find out that the water that should be either deflected off of the wall on the outside, or if it did permeate the stucco, drain down and drain out, was being captured and held at the wall.
The attorney for KB Home asked the judge to dismiss the case, saying Bort hasn't presented any evidence that KB intentionally harmed him.
There's nothing saying what fraudulently did KB do to mislead the plaintiff. Were there statements that were made? That's what's missing from this complaint.
In the end, though, the judge disagreed and ruled that this case will proceed. This case will head back to court October 15th. It's a case other KB homeowners are watching intently as they try to figure out whether to let KB repair their homes or go back to court themselves.
And I know that you have reported in the past that some of these folks who own these homes have no-sue clauses in their contracts. So what are their other legal options?
Well, that really puts them at a disadvantage. A lot of these folks have arbitration clauses in their contracts, and that means they have to go to an arbitrator before they could go to sue. So they have to weigh all those options again, but some of the attorneys that we've talked to say that they can bind together and do a class action suit together.
Well, it certainly sounds, as these numbers mount, that would be a real possibility for them, a class action suit.
Could be.
All right, Shannon, thank you. And you can watch all of Shannon's KB Home stories on WFLA.com. Just type KB in the search box.